Hey guys, Brian's Vlogs here with another video, and today we're going to be making slime again, but except this is going to be glossy slime. So glossy slime is the same as crunchy slime. So crunchy slime is when you go like that, and it there's little bubbles in the slime, and you pop them, and it's really satisfying. So the ingredients are hand soap. Any hand soap works, I think. Elmer's glue, school glue. This is optional. I'm just adding some vanilla scent to it. Paint. It can be acrylic paint, food coloring, or nail polish even. Shaving cream. And more paint, because I don't know which color I'm going to get, because I haven't decided yet. So, this is glitters optional. So, the first step you need... Oh yeah, and I totally forgot. You're going to need the... borax solution. So we're gonna add some glue. As obvious, glue is the first thing in slime. So because we're not gonna make it long. All right. So let's put the cap on that. That's the glue. And let's see. Should we use red and orange?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mhm.
All right. I feel like a little more. All right.
Let me put the orange.
Yeah.
Right there. Yeah, I think that's...
Oh, hell no!
Sounds like you're on 40.
I know, right?
Alright, yeah. So you're gonna fix this a little. Alright, let's go. So the color is wait, we haven't said that. They have to subscribe, right?
Yeah.
Alright, so you have 5 seconds to subscribe. So let's count down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's in my bank account.
In my bank account, yeah.
Alright, I'm just kidding. Alright, jokes aside, the color is really nice. It's like, oh crap, I was trying to show you. It's not a lot of slime, so we're gonna add the volume of the slime with the power of shaving cream. Oh, wait, shaving cream. So,
Boy, if you don't get...
so that's our slime. Thanks for watching. I'm just kidding. Just kidding. Alright, so the only step you need to make glossy slime is liquid soap. Oh my goodness.
Hand soap?
Yeah, hand soap. Like foaming hand soap, like the foamy one works. So we're gonna add how many squirts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 squirts of liquid soap. Alright, of liquid soap. That's already 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wait, what? Holy, that 7? I don't know how to count.
8.
You know what? I don't play by the rules. Oh! As you can see, actually the soap actually activates it a little. As you can see, I don't know why it activates it. Maybe that's a new activator. More like pink. Yeah, it's like a pinkish color. So what should we add next?
Some banana. Some bananas.
Boy, if you don't Alright,
Some glitter, some borax. Yeah, borax.
alright, some activator. It can be
Borax.
laundry detergent or
Borax.
and contact solution. So don't overreact it, because if you do, you slime.
And don't forget to don't put too much, cause then it's gonna get all wet.
Stop it. Stir it up.
Like it's stir fry. Whip it in the kitchen, wrist twisted like it's stir fry. Whip it in the kitchen, wrist twisted like it's stir fry.
As you can see now, we stirred it for a long time, and so we're gonna add some more. And then drink it. I'm just kidding. So as you can see, it looks like a blob now. And we're just gonna keep stirring. And now eventually it starts as you can see, it starts like when you're making slime, whenever it needs it should, if you know, like the way I know it's gonna become slime, like that's how you know it's gonna become when you're making it. When you don't add too much activator, it's as you can see, it starts like getting really hard to stir, and you can see it's really sticky. So I'm obviously do not like sticky slime, because I hate sticky slime, because it gets all sticky and you can't even play with it because it starts sticking to your hands. And also if you play it on a desk, it starts sticking to the desk and it's just a mess. So we're gonna make the slime non-sticky. So we're gonna try to keep stirring. It's not ready yet, by the way. We're just gonna take all the slime out of the bowl, that way there will be no slime left. So now, taste test. Alright, so a little more borax. Okay. Ew, that sounds disgusting, dude. Right?
Yeah.
It's like... So flip the patty, cook it. We're gonna cook it medium rare. Is it ready yet? Yeah, alright. My final product is done. So knead it. If you don't know what knead it is, it's to knead it. I'm just kidding. Alright, so knead it means that you're gonna play with it around. So you're just gonna be stretching it and just playing with it, basically, like squeezing on it, stretching it. As you can see, this is not very stretchy. I mean, it's a little stretchy, but to make it more stretchy, you just add lotion, and that makes it super duper stretchy. So yeah, we're gonna add, should we add glitter to this?
I think so, yeah.
Alright, so we're gonna add glitter to it. Sorry for the wipe. Okay. I mean, glitter on pink slime? Yeah? Think that works?
Yeah.
I'm gonna add a lot of glitter. Make it extra glittery, so just gonna be playing it. Oh, look at it. I look like, look at all the glitter. When you make slime with glitter, your hand gets all full of glitter. So, dang, dude, I'm so shiny. Okay, so, thank you for watching. Wait.
You forgot to add the vanilla
Okay, yeah, vanilla scent.
and lotion.
And lotion, yeah. So I added a little bit of vanilla scent. So this is vanilla scent. It's like a little oil, I think. Smells really good. So now you have glossy slime. So if you like this video, wait.